Alright guys, welcome back to Pass Down Garage. I'm Brian. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about the Mustang and kind of where we're at. We went to install the transmission probably a couple months ago, and we found that the engine was not sitting correctly in the mounts and everything. It was really weird. The engine was leaning to the driver's side, and the center line wasn't correct. So I was thinking that we were having a mount issue. I bought some new ones, and I figured they were made incorrectly or something like that. So we ended up, Dad, got up underneath the car and unbolted the motor mounts, and I had my old factory stock Ford ones. So we put those in to try to get the engine to line up. Excuse me. And we couldn't get it to line up. It kept on leaning to the left. So we kept on trying to figure out, do we need to shim it? What's going on? Trying to diagnose what the issue was. Come to find out that the mounts that go on the cradle were all bent up in the accident a long time ago, and we did not know it. We've had multiple engines in the car sitting, and we never noticed it leaning to the left. But this time, now that we had a carburetor shaft, it was a good inch and a half from center line leaning to the left. So we used to have a tie down on it that would strap the engine from allowing it to torque and roll with acceleration. So we were thinking maybe that was it at first, but no, it's not. So we went ahead and replaced those mounts and put our new motor mounts back in. We were able to fix that issue and correct it, and pretty soon we're going to be getting the transmission in. Once we get the transmission in, we'll have another video. This one here is probably going to be about 15-20 minutes, or fast forward it a little bit, but you'll see some of the diagnostics of us trying to figure out what the heck's going on, and then kind of go from there. Appreciate it.
Well, compare it. Right and left. Probably on the Lakewood one.
Yeah.
So
Not the ones that bolt onto the block, but the ones that bolt to the
the signal bolt goes through it. Does it have an egg shape?
no.
It doesn't on the Lakewood?
No.
See, look, this one does. See how it's got more adjustment?
There's someone where?
Right here?
I can't see.
Where are you at?
There.
Oh! I thought you were still up here.
What was that?
Freaking knows. Whatever it is, it's inside of it. Inside the fan, whatever it was. But these?
Yeah.
Those are leg ship on here.
On the Lakewoods too?
Yeah.
Okay, that's...
There, but this one here is more flat.
Let's try
So that's why I was saying is if it does it look like it's the same level or not.
Is our microphone's charged?
Can't see. There's the hole. It's not. Okay, they are definitely the same, right? Same angle, same.
They look the same, yeah. Too slow, or are you doing okay?
Oh, you're fine.
Need me to go on faster, or?
You can keep going. Like I said, I just can't tell whether we're fixing it.
Stopped it. You want to keep going?
Yeah. That's not touching the cooling lines. And I don't know about up there, but this is, I can almost hand thread the bolts in right now.
It's still to the right a little bit.
But it definitely is not as far off as it was before.
No.
It is just a smidge because I need a pry bar. And that
Pry bar?
don't know where I put the bolts, babe.
I think they're over here. Up here. Aren't they up here?
Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was looking at them.
Here's the nut for the. Let me move that board out of the way, or.
Well, we may need it here in a second. So there was no lock washers on this?
No,
Why not?
I don't know.
You have 2 lock washers.
I'm sure I do.
Dad,
What?
am I doing a good job videotaping?
I don't know. How shaky is it?
Not really shaky, more like I'm moving and the motor's moving. So it looks like it's shaking. Does it look like I'm shaking?
There you go.
The car is pretty much shaking, so I am.
Put one there. But see it underneath your knee. Underneath
Lane,
your knee.
stop shaking the car.
And I'll put the other one in because, like I said, it moved a bunch when I took the other one out. But this is literally almost going in by hand. There's no pressure on it to speak of.
Might as well. I think maybe we just need to redo the other side too.
Well,
Maybe both of these are wrong. Or
oh, I got you. Well, we may be able just to loosen that one up and see
Yeah.
if we can adjust it. You got that washer. Why?
You having fun?
Like I said, these are literally screwing in by hand.
Good. No, it's not loud. It's just gonna go yeet yeet. It's definitely still twisted and.
I think we should be able to adjust it. Here's your valve cover.
Well, I'm not using those again anyway.
Okay.
I got the new valve covers with the new hardware.
Oh, really?
Uh huh. Need me to get this out of your way?
All right, not yet.
We're spinning on top, yeah. Where's that?
We're going to do it backwards.
Yeah, you have to think about it. You're upside down, backwards, and
On the front. On the front is the very. No, that's tight.
that's loosening. That's loosening.
Is your battery low?
Not really, but that thing's a pain. That thing doesn't have that much oomph to it.
Ah, I was right. The wrench was the wrong way. Okay, we need it to go,
Up.
yeah, like, where are you at?
I'm over.
This side, this side with my hand is.
These go up.
Right,
And
And
to the passenger side.
and it definitely can do that. So, go ahead and lift up on the engine.
You want me to move the jack anywhere, or is it we're good there? Or?
Yeah, that's good. Keep going.
I think it might be on something else.
Oh.
No, they're not.
It just moves.
still off center.
But it's got to be a lot better than what it was. Because I could see by the bolt holes that we moved it a good 3/8 of an inch down on this side and up on this side. Let her down and see what it does.
It's like if we had the transmission on there, we could grab it and then pull it to the passenger
Well,
side.
I'm
You know,
still able to. Oh, I see what you're saying.
I'm saying the engine's twisted, like it's leaning over to the driver's side, like it was. It's not, you know, like if I'm looking at the center of the carburetor shaft, it's to the right by a good inch.
Really?
Yep. And then the back side looks like it's turned to the passenger side. Like the back side looks like it's over about
Huh.
an inch or so, maybe.
Huh.
I mean, you can come up here and look at it and see what I'm talking
Did
about.
you let the jack down or did it?
I have not. No. You want?
Well, it's down, so you might as well go ahead.
No,
and-
I'm still bringing it.
Huh?
I'm bringing it down.
Yeah, I was gonna say because it wasn't doing anything. Or it was just sitting there.
Yeah, it's like this. It's like this left side needs to have an inch shim or spacer to lift the thing up. You didn't
This
have
side here.
huh?
The side here is what you're saying.
The driver's side.
Where my hand is.
No, that side's up. That side's up. The high side.
It's still up.
Yes.
Huh.
It's basically the same right now as it sits. It's basically the same as it was when we first put it in.
Okay, so that means it's probably this other mount then. Let's try that. Take that light, put it on the other side. 'Cause all I gotta do is put a nut on that side.
Okay. Well, the light's already over there.
No, I meant on this side.
Oh,
I can't see the bolts. This one, did you see how it was angled down here?
yeah.
I need it to be like that over here in order to see up.
A little bit of rust. Okay. Just a little bit.
No, went down a lot. Now we're really,
Really which?
we're really to the driver's side now.
And you want it to go up is what you're saying?
Yeah.
Up with the jack. Pull the jack out. Well, no, I take it back. Okay. Let me see what we got here. Oh, I'm on the wrong side. See, the bolt's in that one. Okay. Go ahead and go up. Here's your. I want to make sure what doing anything with your light.
Right there is where it's in the center of the car. Of course, it's leaned back real bad, but that's
Right.
well. Right now, that's where the. Well, I mean, no, I mean we're off maybe about a quarter of an inch. If I go up just a little more here, hang on.
That's okay. I forgot to take out the other bolt. Alright. Go ahead. Pull it up.
Hang on, getting this jet light that's got stuck.
Got it.
Grab the other one here. Oh, that's it.
Long goes in the front, correct?
Yes. That's how it was on the other side. Yep. Well, no, the other one, in theory, the long would go on the back.
Nope. Well, if that's the case, then we got two wrongs, you know what I mean?
Because these are identical. These two are identical, and those are OEM ones, and those are both identical as well, aren't they?
Does it go like, does it need to go like that?
Yes.
Up and forward.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. 'Cause that's what this should do. The jack, I think what we're gonna have to do, well, we can't let it back down. We're gonna have to go up some more with it. And if you can, push it at the same time.
Push in
Yeah.
with the transmission or the
Yeah.
jack.
Towards me with the jack. Okay, that'll work. Yeah, turn the light downwards more.
Angle like that, you mean?
Yeah. And then towards the firewall, or towards the, that way. There you go. Shine in my eye.
Need lock washers?
We put the engine and transmission in as one piece, didn't we?
Yep.
Yeah, that was definitely. When we changed the motor mounts, that's why we could never come so much trouble.
Get cross-threaded or?
Well, we must have had trouble trying to get it in the first time.
We did. Remember that one side we had a hammer. Well, not those bolts.
Yeah, these bolts, because these are the ones we've got ground down where it would fit. And
Oh.
that makes perfect sense. See how that one just went right in?
Mm-hmm. Oop. Sorry.
Go ahead and let the train down, or let the engine down just a little bit so I can.
Okay, going down slow.
Hands are clear. Yeah, that worked. Up too much. There we go. That one bolt was rough getting out, and I don't want to cross-site it going in. Let's see if we're going. Okay. Let her down.
Fingers crossed. Right back to where it was.
Well, I know it will be right now.
Hang on.
Which side needs to go higher though?
The driver's side needs to go up.
Up, good. Now my question is our on the front of the head, is that attached?
No.
That's free?
Yep.
Move it so I can see what you're saying. Okay. Okay. So now go ahead and jack her. Let me move it.
Jack her up.
Let me get the jack further in. Yep. Hold on a second. Okay, we're try letting it down again.
More.
No. Let me move the jack again. Try going up with it now.
Keep going.
Keep going. Hang on a second. Why did we have 3 washers on that?
Don't remember. Was it because of access for the socket or something, maybe?
Well, doesn't make any sense.
They don't. It's up, right there. Let me go up a little bit.
Unless the jack went there, there's something changed. I just pulled it out. I am in the right hole, right?
Yeah, that was the right hole. You're just not. Oh, no, you're not. I'm sorry.
I was gonna say.
It's, yeah, the whole thing needs to go down. Stop. That's not even going, that's going through the mount, but it's not going through the, see, there's the hole for the mount, and we have a finger.
Oh, okay.
That's the mount. That is the cradle.
Oh, so we're angled big time down in the
In
back.
the back, yes.
Okay.
And we're above it on the top. But with it being above it on the top where it's at right now is level. So in essence, if that other side was jacked up, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
The engine would be straight and centered.
Well, because right now the other side is down by about 3/8 of an inch. So we got to get this one in the right hole.
So let me go down with your fingers. Well, it's down, but it needs to be over. The engine needs to be over about a
Yeah, 3/8.
3/8 of an inch to an inch. It needs to be like this. The front end needs to go to the driver's side.
Do you have a smaller board?
I might have some in my.
Because this one I just can't.
Well, I can cut that too, so that's not.
I need something smaller so I can put it where I need it to be to help angle it, as compared to.
I've got. I mean, I know I got like 2x4s and things like that in the back, but I'm not sure square wise if I got anything.
It just needs to be like a 1 by like this, or 3/8 or 3/4. I'm sorry, but about the same size as the oil pan, so we don't put all the pressure and pin in our $300 oil pan.
Let me go check outside real quick.
Because this is not like I said, it's not where it needs to be right now.
Like the back one is in too far. You know what I'm saying? Like the mount. So like
This is what's weird.
So what you're
there
talking?
is
So you're saying like the engine?
push up on the jack a couple times, just a little bit. Let me see where it goes. Because we're only pushing up the front, we're not pushing up the back. It's the problem. But if I can get, but this is not close right now. It's way high.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, on the front side is above the mount, above the cradle. But like I said, where that's at, the center of the carburetor or the fuel injector is centered with the car. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, do me a favor. Go ahead and push up more.
On the jack?
Yeah. Okay, stop. Let down just a little bit. Oh. The old long 3/8 bolt. Needs to be about 5 inches long, like a alternator bolt. Huh. That is so weird.
There you go. I'm not sure if that's...
Yeah.
I got smaller ones too.
Oh, that's perfect. For what I'm trying to do. Like that, though, doesn't it?
It does.
Well, I said,
Let's say without the everything in it.
down. I laid it down.
Oh, is it down now?
Well, I mean, in other words, I let the jack down until it was sitting level, and then I just locked
Yeah, but
it
like
in
I said,
place.
so you got the... So,
Well, if we put the mount in there, it won't do any good because there's still not. You'd have to put a block of wood or something in there to make it work.
well, if you add that in there, it's going to just lean into the... You know, it's not going to be on that, but it's going to lean into it.
Well,
But you see, look at your center line.
yeah.
See, it's still over.
If you look at that, it's like, oh, that makes perfect sense. And I never, like I said, it was already converted when I got it. So I never even thought about it. I know I had to think about that when I was doing the Dodge, looking for the correct K-frame.
Mm-hmm.
Do we have a block that we can put the jack stand on?
Well, Jack's thingy on.
Well, how tall of a block you need?
Well, I want to hand this to you. And what we need is something to get this up 4 or 5 inches.
Okay, I got blocks in the back.
So here, I'm going to take it so you can make sure it's big enough to match the bottom. You know what I'm saying?
Yep. Alright guys, upon some diagnostics, when we were looking at the engine, how it was tilted to the side, ever since our installation, we were having some issue with the engine not sitting in correctly. We changed the motor mounts, put some original ones back on it, and it still sat improper. So we went ahead and diagnosed and found out that these brackets here, which is where the mount goes, are damaged.